Hey, what's up everybody, this is Osama here, and in this video we're going to explore the web widgets marketplace inside of Go High Level and how can we leverage that to increase the functionality of our funnels or websites in Go High Level. So if you're not already familiar with the apps or the widgets marketplace, all you have to do is head over to your Go High Level sub account and then click on app marketplace right here. And once you click on that, in a few seconds it will pop out with a bunch of apps that are divided into collections and categories. Now in this video, we're specifically talking about the web widget hub, which is right here. So if you click on that, you'll find a few apps that are located here like testimonials, price cards, hero banner, QR code. So you can add all this fun stuff straight into your funnels or websites. Now there's two ways to do this. Number one is of course where I'm at right now. So through the app marketplace, you can install any of these apps by clicking on one of these. So I'll click on that and then you will see an option to install this app. Once you click on that, it will show you what permissions are needed for the app. So if you want to improve that, you'll click on allow and install. And within a few seconds, this will complete the installation. As you can see here, it says successfully installed. So if you go back here, it will do a quick refresh and now you will see that it is installed. So we can actually access that within our funnels or websites. And if we go back to our funnel builder here, we click on the plus icon here, and now you will see we have an option called Widget Marketplace. So this is where we will find those apps. If I click on that, you will still see all the apps that we had found here. So it's basically the same thing, but under install, we should have that app installed. So you can see testimonial is right there. So all I have to do now is just click and hold and then drag it into my funnel builder. And within a few seconds, the settings will pop up here. So here we can customize this testimonial slider. We can add more testimonials. So you can see we have 3 by default, but you can add more. Then you can put in a heading here. And then we have blocks like testimonial description, URLs, and all that fun stuff. Now this stuff really helps us because you can plug in a lot of widgets. Right now, of course, there's limited apps, but the third-party developers will keep contributing to it. And if you want to add some more stuff, again, you can click on the plus icon here. And under the widget marketplace, you can click here. And if you want to install another widget right away, you can actually do that from here. So I'll just click on install. It will go to the screen for that specific app or widget. And again, we have the same process. So if I click on install, allow and install here, then click on complete installation, you can see that the app is now installed. So if I go back to my funnel builder here, again, click on this icon, click on install. We'll see in a brief second, the QR code or the widget is also installed now. And you can see if it's free or paid. Of course, if it's paid, then you'll have to pay for that app before installation. So if I drag it right here, you can start using it in a few seconds. And you can see here, so you can list your QR code URL. You can keep the dynamic text here, upload your own icons, change the colors and everything. And then once you're happy with these settings, you can close it and it will apply right here. And again, if you're a Go High Level user, this will really help you speed up your workflow, increase the core functionality of Go High Level. And if you're a developer, this means there's another opportunity for you. So you can sign up to the developer marketplace and create these awesome widgets or apps and then distribute them to all Go High Level users, either as free or paid. That was about this video. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below and we'll get back.